The SparkFun Pro RF 915 MHz LoRa module is here after its stunning debut in SparkX. Now, if you're interested in the Internet of Things, you're probably familiar with the term LoRa. It stands for long range, and it's basically just a packet radio modulation scheme, which is cool. What's even cooler is the fact that this module is also capable of LoRaWAN, the wide area networking protocol developed by the LoRa Alliance. And by extending the antenna length on this, it's also capable of communication distances up to 10 kilometers when conditions are right. The Pro RF is a compact, easy-to-use Arduino-based packet radio for point-to-point data transmission. It sports a JST LiPo connector, onboard LiPo charger, on-off slide switch, reset button, reinforced micro B connector, and even a quick connector to make adding sensors a breeze. To help you get started, we put together a quick startup guide for the Pro RF along with LoRaWAN and the Things Network. The Things Network is a global, crowdsourced, open, free, and decentralized Internet of Things network. It's free to register nodes or devices and free to use as long as you follow the fair use guidelines. As you can see, there is a wealth of information just on the home page, and it goes on from there. You'll definitely want to register and utilize the power that it offers. Each node or module that you register will be given the necessary keys to place in your code, allowing the network to recognize your devices. Once that's done, you can start programming your node to get it up and running. This unit's also great for integration with IFFT. If you're not familiar with IFFT, it stands for If This Then That, and does exactly what you'd expect something with that name to do. If it recognizes an event occurred, then it will do that thing you've instructed it to do. There are tons of examples, but it's also easy to create your own. You'll also need an account here, but it too is free and simple to set up. So what can we do with this? So many things. For example, we could take this and add a quick GPS unit and then have it trigger, say, an email that it sends if the device gets a certain distance from a fixed point. So take a look over at the LoRa Alliance Resource Hub as well as IFFT if you need some ideas, and then get out there and start something. Just a packet radio modulation scheme. Curses. Something about IFFT. Can't even remember what the thing's called. Add it to it and it's so close. Basically, geez Louise. The SparkFun Pro RF 915 MHz modulated